Hi everyone, here we've got an OPPO Reno 5 and let me share with you how to change SIM pin on this device. So firstly, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down and find security. As you can see in the device security section, on the very first position we've got SIM card lock, so let's tap on it, and here we've got change SIM pin option, so all you have to do is simply tap on it. Here we have to enter our old SIM pin, the pin we've got currently set, so let me do it. And tap on this tick icon. Right now we have to enter the new pin for this SIM card, so just type the numbers you'd like to use later on. So for example, something like this, tap on this tick icon, and here we have to retype it, so let's do it. And as you can see, the SIM pin has been changed successfully, so it means that from now on, if you restart your device, then it will require the new SIM pin. So actually that's all. This is how to change SIM pin in your OPPO Reno 5. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.